Get noticed in this 2006 BMW 3 Series. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Memory settings are just one of the extras. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.